Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I had a couple people ask me how to do the fried cornbread, but I couldn't help this because this is how I see clean teeth, y'all, and I brought it home in case we lose power. Just saying. Then I can read, I can walk around and look at things. I could clean teeth if it wasn't illegal to do it outside of having my doctor present. Just saying. Anyway, just a little side of humor there. But seriously, okay. I did not have buttermilk. So, that's okay. I'm not going back to the store. So, I put the milk that I had, okay? Because that's one thing I'm going to have to get some more of. God help me. And I put a tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar in it, okay? It is a substitution for buttermilk. This is how easy this is, though, y'all. I'm going to use this pan right here. I'm going to have to get rid of these. I'm going to make myself sick. Sorry, hold on. Oh, Lord. Anyway, they're so strong that if you do like that. Anyway, okay, let's get back to the cornbread. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit of canola oil. You can use whatever oil you like. About 2 tablespoons in the bottom of this iron skillet, and I'm going to stick that in the oven and let it get hot, okay? And I set the timer so that I don't see a squirrel and ruin it. So, anyway, self-rising cornmeal, okay? You need self-rising cornmeal. And this milk, you need buttermilk, but again, I substituted, okay? So, I don't have measurements of this. Let me start by saying that. I kind of know from previous experience what size pan I'm using as to how much I need, okay? So, I'm just going to make a small batch of cornbread for just me, my husband, and my father-in-law for tonight because nobody else is here. Let me grab an egg. So you're going to put, I'm going to say approximately 1.5 cups, if that helps you. And then I'm going to crack 1 egg. Nancy's egg. The Weight Watcher Police. And then I'm going to add in a little bit of this milk. See, it's kind of curdled looking like buttermilk, okay? And then I'm going to give it a stir. Can y'all see that? Y'all tell me if you can. Hold on. Hold on. This is all about consistency, y'all. This is one of, Grannie Ingle's recipes where she just said a pinch and a fist and all that. There's no rhyme or reason to it. You just kind of have to see it, okay? So, that was 3/4 cups of milk. Substitution buttermilk. Don't get sideways. Now, to this, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. About a teaspoon. And because my father-in-law is old school and very southern, I am not going to add red pepper to this, although it would be great if I was just cooking it for me. I would add a little bit of pepper flakes. But look, this is the consistency. It's kind of like pancake batter, okay? So when that pan comes out, which should be any minute. Let me grab a hot thingy. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Okay, so the oil is hot and it's kind of, melted and covered the pan. As a matter of fact, I'm going to let it kind of go up on the edges of the pan. Can y'all see that? I'm sorry, because I can't read it and do this. Okay, there we go. Now, let me grab a spatula. I think this thing is about to break. I ain't sure. Anyway. Get my, hey y'all, Paula Deen spatula. Whoa! I bet Miss Paula makes her cornbread like this for her family. You can use this as a fry pan if you want to and just do like a pancake size and then flip it. But I don't like to do that. It's too much trouble. for me. I'm going to put that in here. So we've got about 1.5 cups of self-rising cornmeal. We've got 1 egg. We've got 3/4 cups of imitation buttermilk because I didn't have no buttermilk. And we got about a teaspoon of salt. This is going into a 400-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes until it's golden brown. Hey, Wes. Okay, look, I got company, y'all. That's how Granny Ingle did her cornbread. So, bam, that's what we got. Cooked cabbage, pintos, cornbread, and some chicken. Southern, y'all.